Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today I am going to be doing the second weekly challenge prompt for this month, that word being waterfall. I would absolutely love to escape right now to a beautiful waterfall or just see running water in general because all I get to see outside right now is snow and ice. So let's get into this painting so I can escape just for a little bit. So when it came to making this piece, I utilized a more monochromatic feel for the piece. I used mainly different hues of blue, mixing browns, greens, and whites with the blue color that I have. I wanted this piece to really have a strong nighttime feel with a sense of a strong glow from the moon. So a good way to create very simple waterfalls is to take the deepest color that you want for the waterfall and paint it in a downward sweeping motion. Then once you have that, just start adding lighter hues of the same color in the same direction and then finish it off with white strokes. After that, you can just take a hard bristle brush and put some white paint on it and use it to stipple on the splashes from the waterfall at the base. But I am starting to near the end of this piece, so sit back and I will see you guys at the end for the final result. Alright everyone, that is our completed piece using the word waterfall. I think this turned out really pretty and really peaceful, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. You're gonna find them right on the back there. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. Also, if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over at my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!